Okay, so I wanted to compare and contrast the difference between the color Polaroid film and the black and white Polaroid film. Both of these overprinted with my Polaroid one-step. They were not actually taken on the camera, so I could get the exact same photo to show you what they look like. Now, this one is beautiful. It has really gorgeous lights and darks, and for a black and white film, I absolutely love what the Polaroid does. And this is the color. Now, this one came out a little bit of blue and pink, and I'm not exactly sure why, because the photo was definitely not quite that, cool in color. But that's kind of the fun part about colorful Polaroids, is you really never know what you're gonna get. And one photo to the next, they can look completely different, which I really like about them. It gives them character and interest and a lot of fun. Here are two more photos taken.